Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is an update on the strategy that we made. We had made this strategy based on Nifty index and we had created this on 26th of August. And in this strategy we had taken up strangles. Uh, so how has this strategy performed so far? It has performed very badly and it has given a loss of 1,72,000. So let's analyze what happened. See, in this strategy, we had taken four strangles, and each leg on the upper side was from 17,000 till 17,300, and on the put side, it was from 16,000 to 15,700. So, what happened was, see, every strategy has two important points. One is before entering a strategy, you have a directional assumption whether the underlying index or stock is going to go up or going to go down. That is your first directional assumption. And the second thing is corrective action or adjustment of the strategy. So, in what happened in this strategy was first, our directional assumption went wrong, and second, we did not adjust the strategy. See, even if your directional assumption goes wrong, there are a lot of ways through which you can adjust the strategy and still come out profitable. But if you don't adjust your strategy, you are never going to come out as profitable, because every adjustment strategy is as important as the entry of the strategy. This is very important, so please do keep in mind that both the directional assumption before entering the strategy as well as the adjustments after entering into the strategy, both are really very important. So when should have we adjusted the strategy? We should have adjusted the strategy when one side was being tested. In our case, when our call side was being tested, we should have adjusted a strategy. So how should have we adjusted the strategy? There are basically there are multiple ways, but the most common ones are we could have converted the call legs into debit credit call spread. So what is a credit call spread? You sell a lower strike and buy a higher strike. So in this example, what a credit call spread means is, since you've sold 17,000 call, you should have bought 17,400 call. So what this does is, it basically converts your unlimited risk strategy into a defined risk strategy. Your return as well as your risk, both are defined. You cannot incur a loss which is not preset, and also your profit is going to be preset. And the second way that we could have adjusted the strategy was converting all the positions into straddles. So what a straddle is basically selling both call and the put of the same strike. So what do I mean by that is, as soon as our strategy started testing 17,000 call, we should have started selling 17,000 put as well. So that would have converted that leg into one straddle, sorry. And if the underlying continued to move upwards towards 17,100, we should have converted this into a straddle as well. That is, along with selling this 17,100 call, we should have started selling 17,100 put as well. So is there a way that this strategy could have been profitable? Yes, there are. One thing that we could have done is, instead of along with converting this into a straddle, we could have sold double the positions inputs. For example, at 17,000 call, I would have sold one put to make it into a straddle. Along with this, I would have sold another put, another naked put. So that would have, what that would have done is, as long as the strategy kept moving upwards, both the puts would have been profitable, turning this into a net positive position. Okay, and we would not have incurred this much of loss. That is why adjustment of any strategy is very important. And adjustment of strategy are available mostly in option selling. They are not available in option buying, because in option buying you will be, very much constrained by time and your capital. If you have a bit of more capital and more time, you can easily play around with option selling. And this is why most of the financial institutions, bigger financial institutions, most of the fund houses, most of the mutual funds, they do this because they have time, they have capital. And even if there is a situation where everything is going against us, we can still come out on top. So I hope this explains to you why we did not adjust the strategy, and what can be done if situation goes against us. Thank you for watching.